Hey guys, welcome to Loose and Natural. I hope all of you doing great and enjoying this super monsoon. Let's have some communion regarding this beautiful rain and how we can feel oneness with it, how we can enjoy it. So let's start. Whenever it is raining, just sit silently, close your eyes, feel the rain falling, the sound of it, the music of it. Be soaked by its sound and its music. And sometimes it is good to go for long walks when it is raining. Just be soaked by it and you will feel very cleansed. Because of very foolish things, because of very stupid things, people really are missing many beautiful things in life. And I have walked miles in rain. It was one of my most loved things. Whenever it was raining, I would go for a long walk. In my childhood and teen days, my family and other people used to think that I was mad because who goes outside when it's raining? And I would always feel pity for these people. So, when I enjoyed rain as much as possible, then after that, sit under a tree and think about it. Believe me, it was the greatest experience I have ever had. I feel such freshness, of such freedom, and so much in tune with nature. So, whenever you can, just go for a walk in the rain. Whenever you cannot, if you are sick, if you are feeling cold or something, then just sit under the roof and listen to the rain. You should accept the rain totally, full heartedly, and when you totally accept raining, in that very acceptance, you have transformed its character. Rain falling softly on earth. This is how God comes to us in deep surrender, in deep sensitivity, awareness. Suddenly, you are full of something which you had never known before. When it rains, dance like crazy, scream like kids, let the droplet kiss you as you lie on the ground. Just watch it. Listen to the music of water. You will feel that you don't need any advice or anybody to enjoy rain. Whether you close your eyes and feel that sound of rain, smell that soothing fragrance of soil, or go in open to embrace the raindrops, you use whatever ways to enjoy rain, because this is one of the most pleasant gifts of nature. It's worth admiring a million of times. So just keep your senses open. Smell that refreshing fragrance of soil that makes you closer to nature. Rainy weather is universally considered as the most romantic climate. Then why wait and not go for a romantic date? Select your favorite dress and spend some good time with your beloved one. Even you can have outdoor sex with your partner while raining. Just don't worry about what other things, what others may say, or do not worry about the society. Be more wild. Nature really offers various color of its beauty to make you happy from the bottom of your heart, and among those colors, rainy weather shows the brightest ways to change your mood. It has some powerful healing essence if you're ready to accept its treatment. Keep all the worries aside and let the beauty of nature banish your sorrows. Enjoy every bit of it and let all your pains flows in that rainwater, leaving you empty for feeling new waves of happiness. Going crazy is the best mantra to enjoy the rain. No way can be better than this for living this weather to the fullest. Explore what makes you feel happy. Sing, dance, paint, capture photos, collect good memories while raining. Do whatever you want to. Go whatever you want to. But do not let this beautiful rain go in vain. Welcome it, enjoy it, Leave it, be more loose and be more natural.